Hello, this is Tom Huntington, and our challenge today with Robot Schedule is we have a member of a group job that we only want to run on Fridays, and we want to skip it the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evenings because our IT team has told us that we only want to run the purge on Fridays. So going over to group jobs, we have our group jobs here, and we're going to work with our MRP group. And the MRP group has 5 jobs in it. So if I right click here and look at the properties of this group, we'll see the description of the group, and we'll see that the values that we're going to do is we're going to submit all jobs immediately or submit one job at a time. So we want to submit one job at a time because this is a event-driven set of jobs, one after another. And then our schedule is weekly, every day at 11 p.m. at night, 2300. Here's our group members, and we have these 5 group members in our MRP process, and the one that has to run third, we have gotten a change request from our development team that they only want to run that on Fridays now. So what I did is I created a OPAL object name, and that OPAL object name is called skip Monday through Thursday. So I select that, I say OK, and now what will happen is when we go to run these members, every time we go to run this member, we're going to check to see what day of the week it is. Okay, so now let's take a peek at our OPAL. So we say OK here to save it, and we're back over on Robot Schedule main selection options here, and we open up the tree called OPAL, and now we click on Open Objects, and I happen to have a OPAL object, which is, again, this is part of the Robot Schedule product. Preference is I don't use OPAL unless I absolutely need to. In this case, you absolutely need to if you want to skip one member of the group on a particular day. So what we have here is logic that says if the day equals 1, 2, 3, or 4, skip the job. That's what this is doing. And day 1 with Robot Schedule is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then so come on those days we want to skip it. So any of these conditions meet our criteria, we're going to skip it. Any other day that the job would run, which is Friday, because we saw our group is scheduled Monday through Friday. That's it. That's how you skip a member of a group. Obviously, you can do different logic in there with OPAL, but we're keeping it pretty straightforward here by just checking days of the week that we want to skip it on. Have a wonderful day.